Here we go. Matt Collins will lead us on the pole. It's showtime for the Vetbox Containers Factory Stocks. We're green. Matt Collins leads us going into 1 and 2. Got the whole shot. Down the back straightaway. Matt Collins quickly blowing away with a tremendous lead. And trouble in 1 and 2. Double D coming to a stop along with the 77S of Randall Sessions. Alright, here we go. We'll try it one more time. Matt Collins, once again with a great run for the lead. Going down the front straightaway. Whole shots it into 1 and 2. Jim Kuehn trying to get up underneath him. Out of 2 down the back straightaway. Matt Collins lit up the NOS turbo and going away quickly. And yellow coming out. At the bottom of 3 and 4, the 22 of Kevin Wasserman and debris also. Mud cover out. Alrighty, we'll try it one more time. Matt Collins with another great run for the lead. Once again, getting away from the field quickly. Oh, around goes the 9 of Derek Arnett and the 24 of Aaron Kuehn involved. Kevin Wasserman also getting spun around. And we'll try it again. Matt Collins, same as the first 2, a great run for the lead. Everybody makes it past 1 and 2 down the back straightaway now. 41 Brownlee challenging Creighton Roberts for the 4th spot. Woo! Lap number 1 in the books. Brownlee going to the outside of Roberts for 3rd down the back straightaway side by side, and jinxed it. Turn number 2. The 77 once again. We get to stay green. And then the 21H went to the infield. Now he's trying to get back on the track, so we're gonna have to bring the yellow out now. Alrighty, 1 complete. 19 still remain, and we're back underway. Aaron Kuehn got really pinched up in the wall there by the 3 of Clayton Roberts. And Clayton Roberts, and stopping, going. Whew, made it past turn 2. There goes the 41 of Brownlee for 2nd, got around the J4 of Jim Kuehn, and the 3 of Clayton Roberts. A slow halt here on the front straightaway, and right rear troubles there. You can see it. It's gone, and yellow coming out. And there's the number 3 of Clayton Roberts. He rejoined the tail of the field right at the right time as we're back green with 18 remain. Fresh right rear on the 3 of Clayton Roberts. Here comes the J4 of Jim Kuehn. Oh, and 1 and 2. We got one stopped once again. He gets back to the infield. We get to stay green. A great battle for 2nd with Jim Kuehn and Shawn Brownlee. Brownlee on the bottom, Jim on the outer side. Brownlee moved him up the track. Now here comes the 24 of Aaron Kuehn, and turn 2 yet again. A big piece of debris on the track in 2, and the 77 also coming to a stop. And we're back underway. Once again, a tremendous restart from the 21C of Matt Collins. Matt Collins quickly blown away from the field. Shawn Brownlee goes up the track. J4 of Jim Kuehn working on the bottom, side by side for 2nd down the front straightaway. Still down the back straightaway, side by side. Jim on the bottom, Shawn on the outside. Jim with a great run out of 4, slid his way. Shawn going to cross him up out of 4. They once again go side by side, this time trading lanes. Now here comes the 24 of Aaron Kuehn going to the outside of Jim. Going to try to run down Jim. Jim on the bottom, Aaron on the outside. We're halfway now. Matt Collins with a tremendous lead over the field. Kevin Wasserman into the infield. Here comes Aaron Kuehn to the inside for second, out of turn number 4. He got around Shawn Brownlee. Aaron Kuehn now up to second. As race leader, Matt Collins, lap traffic leading, and the number 3 of Clayton Roberts in 3 and 4. And we're back green. Aaron and Jim side by side for third down the back straightaway. Right behind Shawn Brownlee, who's holding off for second. Jim running good on the bottom. Aaron with a greater run out of 3 and 4. He got around Jim. Now he's looking to get around the 41 of Shawn Brownlee. In 1 and 2 down the back straightaway. Aaron tried to go to the outside, but Shawn took the lane away from him. As Matt Collins absolutely getting away with the whole straightaway lead. 2.5 second lead, in fact, over Shawn Brownlee in the 41. He's in a whole new zip code. He said, "See ya, boys. I'm a-gone." Shawn Brownlee still holding off for second, still side by side for third. Aaron and Jim Kuehn rolling in 1 and 2. Aaron with a strong push out of 2 down the back straightaway, side by side with Shawn Brownlee. And he got around. Now Brownlee back on the bottom to contest to stay into second. He's staying in second by half a car length. They're still side by side in 1 and 2. Brownlee on the bottom and 3 and 4. We got one stopped. Yellow coming out. I think for the 21C of Matt Collins, he has absolutely led this from the get-go. A survivor to the finish is what this race has become. And we're back green as quickly the 21C of Matt Collins said, "Bye, Felicia. I'm going shopping." He wants the extra money tonight for the feature winner. And 1 and 2, we got one 360 on the bottom. Can't see as he got up into the dust in the infield, but he kept it going. We get to stay green. 21C of Matt Collins absolutely in a whole new zip code. Shawn Brownlee running second. It's a battle of second with 2 laps to go, 2 to go for Matt Collins. It's just a battle for second as Matt Collins says this one all but wrapped up. Shawn Brownlee going way topside. He got really loose and lost it all. Aaron Kuehn to the inside for second, side by side. White flag, one more trip around for Matt Collins. Matt absolutely has dominated this one. He has survived to the end. Oh, in the 21H in 3 and 4. Maybe he can limp to the bottom. We're going to stay green. Matt Collins wins the Vetbox Containers Factory Stocks main event. Aaron Kuehn second, Shawn Brownlee, Jim Kuehn. And then the 46, Chris Yandell, Caston Denton, Houston Garrison, Mark Norwood, and Jaron 6. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause. Matt Collins, he survived it to the end.